Hi everyone, welcome back. If you do not know, my name is Devon. Here on my channel I cover all things beauty. That includes makeup, fragrance, and designer here and there. If you think that is something you'll be interested in, then I hope you stay and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified every Monday, Wednesday, Friday when I upload. And in today's video I am going to be doing another Sephora Favorites Fragrance Sampler Kit. So if you guys want to see which sampler kit I got, then just keep watching. Alright, so in today's video I'm going to be doing a review on the Sephora Favorites Spa Day Scents, and it looks like this. This particular one comes with 7 sample size fragrances. You get to sample them, and then there is a coupon in the inside that you can take it back into your local Sephora, or you can redeem it online and they will send you your free travel size fragrance. Also have the bigger sample kits that cost a little bit more, $60-$70, and then you redeem a full size fragrance. But as soon as I seen this kit, there was another kit that I wanted that sold out, but as soon as I seen this kit I knew instantly what sample I wanted, so I'll let you know at the end which one I'm going to be picking. But this one retails for $28, and yeah, so let's jump in. This literally just came in the mail 10 minutes ago, so I'm gonna go ahead and open her up. And it looks like this, and this is the sample card, and so it comes with the card and you take it into your local Sephora and you redeem it in there, or like I said, there is a code on the back so you can redeem it for free online. So you can still just go online and it comes to you for free, no added charges. We're gonna go ahead and take all of these out. Okay, so these are these samples. This is what it looks like. So let's get the trying. So this first one we're going to start with is the Clean Reserve, and this one is in Skin, and I think this was in my last one also, so yeah, I'm gonna just spray that. Okay, so on the paper this one doesn't smell too bad. I remember not liking it the first time around, but if I'm not mistaken, I'll have the stuff popped up on the screen somewhere. I think it has like some praline in it, some salt. I think the salt was what I didn't like in it. It also has like some tonka bean and some leather. It's kind of like a, it's a sweet scent, but I don't know, it's kind of different. I think this one I would actually have to wear on my skin. I remember for sure not liking it last time. I don't remember if I put it on my skin last time, but on the paper right now it's not smelling too bad. I just think if that salt comes through any more than what it already is, it's the reason why I didn't like that one. So not bad. This next one, I don't think I've ever tried this one, and this is by Fleur, and this is Missing Person. So it looks like that, and let's get the spraying. All right, so let's go ahead and spray this. Ooh. This opening is very bright, kind of citrusy, smells a little bit like bergamot or something bright, like lemony. It's definitely a very clean, musky, it has like a powdery type scent in it. It's not bad. It's definitely a very clean scent. So if you like clean scents, you might like this. This is not bad. Not bad. Okay, this next one is called Floral Street, and this is Arizona Bloom. Never ever tried this one. This is what it looks like, so excited for this, because honestly, like, there are some new scents that I definitely want, but I kind of am in the mood for like spring scents, so I'm looking for some spring scents. Ooh, that opening is beautiful. Oh, that's nice. Now I'm going to look up the notes later and pop them on the screen for you, but this one definitely smells like it has some sort of coconut in it, and I am not a coconut fan, but this doesn't smell bad. It's very clean. It also smells like it might have some salt in it too. I don't know what's with the saltiness. It has like a musky, florally like type scent with coconut. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's not bad. Definitely not something I would probably purchase because, again, I'm not really into coconut, but that is not bad at all. I love these kits because I love smelling and sampling new scents, and I'm on a hunt for some new fragrances. So, all right, so this next one is Juliet Has a Gun, Not a Perfume, which is such a weird little name. I've had so many samples of these and I've never really used them, so I'm excited for this one. A lot of people actually really like this one. It smells a little, I don't know what's in here, but it's not bad. Like, it's a little sexy, it's a little unique, it's a little different. It kind of smells like a little musky, like it might be some type of vanilla or amber or something like that in here. A little woody. I don't know. I'm curious to see how this would wear on my actual skin. I'm not gonna put it on today, but this one actually is not bad. For me to have never tried this, it's not bad at all. All right, this next one I've never used. This is by Rosie Jane. I don't know. It said it's a nude musk sweet rose. I don't really like rose, so we are gonna see. Oh, I guess I can't put this on the paper. I'm just smell it from the cap. I'm gonna put a little bit on my skin. That's different. It smells like a fruit. It smells a little fruity. Like it has some type of like juicy fruit in here, like a peachy or nectarine or something along the lines of that family. Oh, so this is a perfume oil. I didn't know that either. It's nice. It almost smells like it has a hint of vanilla somewhere up in here. I have to look up the notes right now. Okay, so it says grass, nectarine, pear blossom, jasmine, white musk, and vanilla. I can smell, I get that vanilla, but that opening was really pretty and sweet and fruity. This is not bad. I kind of want to look more into these. Not bad. All right, so this next one is going to be Commodity Milk, and this is Expressive. I like the little packaging they put this in. If you have not already seen, I will have a link below. I did do a review comparing Commodity Milk Expressive and then the original Commodity Milk, the one in the white packaging. They also have a bow, but I didn't get that one. But I compared the two and talked about which one was better, how I felt about them, yada yada yada. So I kind of remember this one. The packaging is just black and cute. So let's see. Go ahead and spray her on here. And I remember most of the notes because they don't have a lot of notes in this, but it's definitely a milky lactonic type scent. I know it had milk in it. It has marshmallow, if I'm not mistaken. It has like tonka bean. I don't remember if it had like amber in it, but it's like that type of scent. And the opening is very beautiful. It's very bold. It's such a good scent. But I think I can't remember if this is the one I didn't care for one of them. Like the dry down on my actual skin, it turned a little weird, so I didn't like it. But on this paper, like reminiscent, it's good. This makes me, I think I want to keep this and play around with this one a little bit more because I seen boho guru talk about this one, and she was saying how this is like one of her favorite scents. Is a good scent, and I liked it at the time, but I didn't love it. So I don't know, I kind of want to go back and play with it and see, because my scent palette has been changing and I've been liking a lot more scents than I used to like. So yeah, not bad. Okay, and on to the very last scent. This is going to be the Nest Madagascar Vanilla Oil, Perfume Oil, right? Yep, Perfume Oil. When I seen this set, I knew right off the bat that this is the one I wanted. This retails for like $30, the travel size, and this kit was $28. So I was able to try this and 6 other fragrances, but I knew I was getting this. Now, I have already tried this oil. I did have a sample size of this, so I knew I absolutely loved it, and I just wanted to add it to my collection. So after I'm done with this video, I'm going to go ahead and place my Sephora order so that I can get my oil and my birthday gift. I am going to be doing a like birthday haul, fragrance type haul coming up too. But yeah, I love this. So actually, I'm not going to open this one because it's brand new. I do have one that is already open, but basically it's Madagascar vanilla, some other type of vanilla, vanilla bean or something like that, and like a coconut. I don't really get the coconut. I get a lot of the vanilla, and the vanilla in here is truly beautiful. It's an oil, so you can mix it with different lotions, layer it on top under your perfumes. It is beautiful. So this is the one that I'm going to be getting, but I have to say there were some really great scents in here. Like this Rosie by Rosie Jane actually smells, this is also a perfume oil. It actually smells really, really good on my skin. I was really surprised at how much I still liked the Milk Expressive. Now, I think I didn't like this because it has like that milky note in there, and the milk sometimes in certain fragrances turn a little sour on my skin, but on the paper it smells really, really good. The Juliet Has a Gun is really nice. Probably nothing I'll pick up, but it's really nice. The Floral Street, it is really pretty for it to be a coconut scent. So I think if you do like coconuts, I do think you would thoroughly enjoy this. The Clean Skin, it's nice. I wouldn't pick this up. I definitely am getting a lot heavy presence of the salt in here, so that's a no for me, but it's decent. And then this Missing Person, is that what this is? Missing Person. This smells really good. Really, really good. So actually I am thoroughly impressed with this kit. If you guys have a chance to try any of these kits out, or if you see this kit, I would highly recommend you pick it up because it is really, really good. So that is it. That is all. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye.